In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online, and you don't need a cent to do this. So I get asked every single day, what are the best methods to make money online where you don't need to spend any money? Because I do understand that there's some people that want to earn online and they don't actually have any money to do that. So this is one of the best methods to do it, and I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how you can earn some money online by doing this simple strategy, and you don't need any money to start. Now, with this strategy, guys, you do have the potential to potentially make over $100 per day. Now, I don't know how much you're going to make, but I have used this strategy in the past, and that's what I've made from this strategy. Now, this is completely free. You won't need to spend any money on this. You won't need a website to do this either, which is a very big roadblock for a lot of people. So you won't need to go and create a complicated website or anything like that. You won't need to go and do any type of advertising because obviously that's going to cost money. So you won't need to do any of that stuff. You don't need to be an expert in advertising because we're not going to be doing it. And this is perfect for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner to making money online, this is the video you want to watch because I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Even if you're a beginner, you have no money and you have no website. Now, every single week, I bring out videos on how to make money online. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, tap that notification bell so you know my next video comes out, because you don't want to miss these tutorials and you want to see them before anybody else does. Now, guys, before we get into this, I just want to mention that we're bringing back the giveaways to this channel. So what you need to do is you need to find the emoji in this video. Once you find that emoji, you need to smash that like button, and you need to comment below the emoji symbol or type the emoji name if you're on desktop, plus cash or plus course. And then what I do in the next video is I mention the winner. We usually have 1 or 2 winners, and you can either get sent some cash via PayPal or I'll give you access to one of my courses. So make sure you do that. Once again, find the emoji somewhere in this video, comment that emoji below and put plus course or plus cash so I know what you want, and then you could potentially be chosen in the next video. So make sure you watch the next video to see if you actually won. And we're bringing it back. You guys have been asking for it, so we're going to do it for this month. Now, it's important that you watch this video all the way to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to have a little trick on how you can actually scale this up to the moon. You can keep going and keep making money with this, and you can essentially actually automate this, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to be using these free videos here that we can get online, and I'm going to show you how to make money from these videos. You don't have to have a YouTube or anything like that. You don't need to put your face on video, but I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can make money online. Now, this is a 4-step process, and I'm going to take you through the steps. Now, the first step is very simple. We need to find a product that we can make some money from. So I'm going to recommend 2 websites here for this. One of them is called clickbank.com. Okay, a lot of you guys probably already know about this website. Another one is called markethealth.com. And essentially, these are affiliate marketing websites where you can find products to promote. I'll show you. I'll just refresh here. You can see some earnings that I've actually made here. But if I go to the marketplace, this is ClickBank. And if I go to some products, for example, like the health and fitness, you can promote these products and you get paid a commission. So you get paid so for example, this product here, you get an average sale of $149 for promoting this product. And the person who owns the product, they also make money. But you get a commission for sending traffic to this product, and you get a commission every time there's a sale. Now, all you've got to do is you've got to click promote, and the little box here will show up, and just go get hop links. There's a helicopter flying over at the moment, so you can hear that. That's what that is. And then you go to copy URL, and then this URL you can actually go and send traffic to, and you can make a commission whenever somebody makes a purchase. Okay, this is what this does. This is called affiliate marketing. Now, what I'm going to do is in this, once you've signed up, right? So you sign up. So I would recommend ClickBank for this example, but you could also use markethealth.com. We're going to be doing this in the fitness industry, health niche. So to sign up to ClickFunnels, you just go to sign up. And then once you sign up, once you're in there, you just make sure you click on the marketplace section. And then you want to go to health and fitness. Now, this can be done in any niche, but we're using health and fitness as an example in this video. And this is the product that we're going to be promoting, which is called Research. And I'm going to open this up. Now, there's a couple of things you want to do on this page. You just want to check out the product and see what it is. So this is dietary supplements. You can actually go back and there's other products and niches. So this is actually a good one as well. Leptox. This is a good one as well. I've promoted this in the past. And this is a fitness video and things like that. Now, the thing is, you can really promote any of these products. It doesn't matter. What's more important is the traffic to these products. These are where you find the products that we're going to be sending traffic to so we can make some money. The next thing we need to do is we need to find and use a link tree. So what link tree is, I'll show you here. So this is actually called linktree.ee. And if we go to pricing, they actually have a free plan that we can use, okay? So if we go to here, they've got a free plan, free forever. That's all you need. What I've done is I've actually signed up to Linktree. So you just go to, I've signed out, but there'll be a button here that says sign up. And then inside Linktree, we want to go to add new link. Okay, so I'm going to go to add new link. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to list my offer here. So I'll go to here and I'll go to promote and I'll get my generate hop links, copy the link, and I'll go back to Linktree and I'll so you've signed up and I'm going to go enter title. Okay, and then I'm going to edit URL. I'm going to put my URL in there and then here's my URL. And then now I've turned it on. And then this is called a link tree. So you can actually put multiple links in here. So if I actually go add new link again, I could actually find another product. I don't know if I actually use that one. I could go Steel Bite Pro, whatever this is. I can go promote. I can copy. And I can actually add 2 products to here. I could add even more. And I'll just put fitness tips. Just pretend that we're promoting a fitness course or something for 2020. And then the link, I can paste it in here. And then now I've got 2 links in here. You can see on here, there's 2 links, okay? So here and here. Now this link here is actually, if I click on this is the link that we can send people to, and then they can actually go to the products that we have listed here. And to set this URL, you set this URL when you sign up, you'll see what to do then. You can probably change in the settings. But if I click on this link, it's going to go to one of these products. Right, so here's a product here. Simple. And if someone makes a purchase, we make money from that. Now, let's go to the next step. So you should have found a product to promote. You've set up Linktree, or maybe you set up Linktree first. Doesn't really matter. Now what we need to do is find royalty-free videos that we can use. So the next step that we need to do is we need to go to pexels.com and you can find videos you can actually use that you have the rights to use. They're called royalty-free videos, so they're not copyrighted or anything like that. You can use them. So what you can do here, for example, is I can put in fitness and there's all of these videos that you can use for free. You don't have to pay any money for this. What's going on here? Okay, it's loading. You don't have to pay any money for this. You can go and use these videos for free. And what you want to do is you want to click on videos. And there's all of these videos here. And all you do is you click on a video and you click download. And it'll download for free and you can use this video. Really simple to do. Now, I'm actually on my phone internet right now. So, it's downloading anyway. So we'll just let it download. I thought it might not start. And then you can use this video. Now, what you need to do is you need to line everything up. Like you need to actually have a good video, good titles and everything like that, right? You need to line everything up. Don't just go around spamming videos. You need to really put some effort into this. But you can see there's all of these videos that you can use, okay? You're never gonna run out of videos that you can use. There's so many. The next step is actually, and if you go back here, there's all of these kind of suggestions. So healthy, workout, healthy, sports, running, diets. You just click on those as well, and you've got more video ideas. Now, if I go down to here, here, what we need to do now is use a good traffic source. Now, the best traffic source for this one is Pinterest, and I'll explain to you why. Number one, Pinterest is really pushing videos right now, because it's kind of like a new feature. It was released maybe 4 or 5 months ago. They're pushing videos right now so you can get lots of video views. They're actually prioritizing videos at the moment, okay? Now, what we want to do, I'll show you how to set this up, and then I'll explain to you the kind of what you need to do to scale this up and even make more money with this. Now, the reason we use Linktree is because we actually can post affiliate links on Pinterest. You're allowed to, but sometimes they get blocked. So, as I've learned in the past. So what we want to do is you want to create a Pinterest account based on fitness. So this is kind of what you want to do. You want to create a Pinterest account based on fitness, okay? Very important. And then we'll come back to the rest of this graph thing that I've created. So let's just say that this is a Pinterest account on fitness. I'm going to go to create, and create a pin or product or whatever that says. So create a pin. I'm going to actually open up a video here. I'm going to go down to downloads and I'm just going to put in that video that I literally just downloaded. I'm not sure what it is. So it's a 25-second video of a girl doing yoga or stretches or something on the rocks. Okay. Now you want to kind of really line the product up. Okay. So, and more importantly, you want to have kind of like keywords in the titles and stuff like that. So I'm going to do something like top fitness supplement for 2020. And if you are on a diet. Now, just keep in mind, I quickly wrote this up. You should do something better, but top fitness supplement. So I've got fitness in there. I've got fitness supplement. I've got for 2020, so 2020. And if you are on a diet as well, diet is a keyword because people actually go and search in Pinterest for things and your stuff will show up. And then what you want to do is you want to actually do a description as well. You have 500 characters. I'm not going to do one right now, but you want to do a description based on keywords. So for example, if you're doing fitness, you would do like a complete description on fitness and then have keywords in there. It's very important that you do that because otherwise it won't show up for specific search terms. Once you've done this, you can also add some tags as well. So fitness is a tag. So it's fitness and exercise, diet, and tags also help with the search engine optimization. Like I said, Pinterest is a search engine. And healthcare. Now, the most important thing here is we need to put our destination link. To do that, I just copy this link here. Copy. And I go to here and I paste it in here. And I go publish immediately. Now, and I'm going to publish it to one of my test blogs here. Okay, our test boards. And I'm going to publish this video. What's going to happen is this video is now going to be on Pinterest, okay? Now, you're not going to make money instantly, and you probably won't make money from your first pin. It's not how this works. But what I can do is post more. So what's going to happen now is when someone clicks on this, they can watch it, but there's also a link down here. When they click this link, you know, obviously you would have description, getting people to click the link and stuff like that. But when you click this link, it goes to Linktree. Okay, and then I have my links there that people can click. So my internet's a bit slow because I'm on my phone right now, but people can click these links and they can go through to those offers. Now, I would recommend actually creating like a blog or something like that and doing like free fitness tips and then selling inside that blog. That's really the best way to get higher conversions, but this also can work for you. Now, how this works is you want to basically have a Pinterest focusing on one specific niche. You want to keep posting content daily or even multiple times a day. Keep posting content, keep posting content. And then eventually you'll start to get clicks and you'll start to make a little bit of money. Okay? It takes time and you have to keep building and keep posting. And you actually have to build up an authority Pinterest profile in that specific niche. But how do you actually do this, automate it, and scale it more so you can make more money? Well, you can use a program called Tailwind. And what Tailwind does is you can actually automate everything and you can repin other people's pins to get followers. So you can go online and you can look on tutorials on how to use Tailwind, but this is a program that you can use to scale your automation. It's fully automated. So you literally just maybe one day a week, set up all your pins, and then it will do it all for you and schedule it all out, and you can make money online by using Tailwind and having it automatically run for you. So that's how you can go and make money online by doing affiliate marketing and using Pinterest and going and using free videos online without having to spend any money. Now, if you want one of my best methods to make money online, I will leave a link below in the description to my top trainings that show you exactly how you can start your own business. These are really, really good, and I take you through everything step by step. Now, if you want some more free training, click the videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step how to start your own affiliate marketing business. Don't forget to look for that emoji as well. Comment below, smash that like button, and tap that notification bell so my next video comes out. I'll see you on the right.